pastel pink moment. Yes, are you joking? That's so cute. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, before that I would like to ask you to subscribe and join the little community. We are creating a safe space, so yeah, for fellow makeup enthusiasts, I guess. But anyways, today we're going to be doing a fun graphic liner Valentine's Day makeup look. If you're spending Valentine's Day with a little boo, with your little boo, or with your friends, or by yourself. We love being independent. I thought that I'll do this makeup look because it was really cute in my head. So I'm gonna execute this. I'm gonna practice this. It's inspired by Lucifer's makeup look. Lucifer does amazing graphic liner looks and amazing makeup looks, so make sure to follow them. And yeah, I'm going to start this tutorial without any further ado. So yeah, see my besties in. And I've already done my base. I've done a dewy-ish base, and I've done my brows off camera. So if you would like to see how I did that, how I achieved that, my previous video I did the exact same base and I literally did the same one in this video. So making sure you'll see the floof so I don't look like an egg, hopefully. Okay, so first I'm taking a light concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Making a bit, and we're gonna blend that. Because we want our colors to show, I'm going ahead with the light concealer, but if you're going with a bright pink, you can use your normal concealer. But I just wanted that soft, gorgeous pink color. So I broke my Morphe palette cover. So I'm going to be taking this gorgeous matte light pink and this pink here to create like the perfect pink, not too light, not too dark, just like a pastel pink, you know, like a pastel pink moment. Yes, we love a cute pastel pink moment. Make sure your brushes are clean. I'm going to place that all over the lid and slightly above the lid here. So I'm going to just do that and speed up the process. When you pat the color, it shows like more pigmented. So make sure you're doing that. Bestie, slightly wing it out. Look how cute that is. Stop, I'm obsessed. This patting motion also prevents fallout, so make sure you're patting using a dense brush so that it really packs on the color. Then taking a thinner brush to do the same light pink on my lower lash line. Isn't that just gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go on the graphic liner part. Taking my Pralin aqua color. I'm going with this maroony red because I think that's fun. So what I'm going to be doing is creating a heart here, and on the outer part I'm going to create the half heart here, take it under the eye, connect it on top. If that literally made any sense. I'm so nervous. Look how cute that is. Ah! I did like a half heart here and got smudged. So I'm going to clean this and I'm going to show you what I thought of, and I'm going to be right back. Look, there's like a little heart there and there. Like, do you see the villain? I know this takes like some time to get used to, like the red being connected, but I think that's really fun and fresh. So now this inside part, I'm just going to put like a pinky highlighter in that. Taking this pink highlighter from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to take a thicker brush, spray that with setting spray. Then I'm going to lightly fill the inside of this gorgeous pink color. Taking some of that and just putting it in the center of my eyes. Just a bit. Nothing crazy. Then I'm going to put some black kajal on my above lash line, tight line my eyes. Then I'm going to be putting a thin line of eyeliner across my eyes. Makes such a difference. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara and be right back. Now it's time for the fun part. So let's do some contour. So I'm taking this contour palette, taking the medium brown shade, and just slightly put it here, and then just some on my jawline, hairline, and then we're gonna take it for contour on the nose. Now it's my favorite part, which is blush. We're taking, first let's mix this peachy color and this pink color. Okay. Now I'm just applying some blush. It's Valentine's Day, so this is the most appropriate time for blushing your heart out. First I'm focusing on the back here. Make sure to put it here too. On my nose and chin too, whatever is left on the forehead. There's more layers of blush coming, so then we have a darker blush, taking the Makeup Revolution blusher. Oh my god, are you joking? Stop. Why? Anyway, the blush is still usable. All of these Makeup Revolution palettes, even that one and then another one, they break so easily here. It's so annoying. Has anyone else experienced that? Am I going crazy? I'm going to concentrate that color on the outer part. Look a little ombre blush moment. Also, this is on purpose, so relax. Anyways, now I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. I'm using this shade to make my skin look dewy. Then we're using highlighter. For highlighter, I'm using the Pixie by Petra highlighter. I'm mixing both of the shades to get my desired color. My nose. Put some on my brow bone too. Tad bit on my inner corner. Right outside the heart. I think that's cute. Now let's do lips. I was so confused about what lip I wanted to do. Let's go with the maroon. Taking this Miss Claire Glimmer stick in the shade Mahogany for my lips. Look how gorgeous that is. Now we're gonna take this Maybelline color Sensational in the shade The Berry Bossy on the lips. Are you joking? That's so cute. And now I'm just going to set my face. And I'm going to give you the final reveal in 3, 2, 1. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this look. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below how you like this look. See you in my next one. Bye!